Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.1 C220d AMG Line Premium G-Tronic Plus, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in brilliant blue. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 19-inch AMG multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the brilliant blue exterior colour. Moving to your boot, you can find you've got an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps your weekly shop. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find Artico leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this car are electronically adjustable, so you can find a comfortable position, and once you've done this you are also able to save them, as it is also a memory seat. And as well as this, you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and located on your steering column you can find your cruise control with speed limiter, allowing you to travel at a constant speed, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 64,970 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And to help you manoeuvre around into those difficult parking situations, you also have a rear view camera. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control system, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.